seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Be a fish, baby. Woo. Oh, that is a tiny fish. Got him. Oh, it's brutal. That's gotta stick. Have to get it. Bang! Right in front of the horn blower. Good. You can't even see him yet. Yeah. I won't help you. You do you.
So should I let go of the pole while I'm doing this?
Yeah. You just put it on the guard. 17. Did he take the whole bag? Is he gonna land? Go get it, go get it! Go, go, go! Nicely done!